Hello, and welcome back to the video course. In this module, you'll learn how to use featured content to increase your YouTube subscribers and views. Before we start, let's take a look at the breakdown of what you'll be learning. In this module, I'll explain what YouTube featured content is and how it helps you to increase your subscribers and video views. And I'll guide you through how to use this feature in a step-by-step screenshot tutorial. So what is YouTube featured content? Featured content in YouTube can be a video or a playlist. The purpose is to promote a new video to all of your audience. How does featured content help increase your video views and gain more subscribers to your channel? Well, it enables you to embed a chosen video or playlist across all of the videos on your channel and ensures that returning subscribers to your channel see your featured content first. Featuring a video on YouTube is like having free advertising for your other videos on your channel. You can choose to make any one of your videos or playlists appear as a banner on all your videos at any time you wish. You just need to customize which video and you set the time that you want it to appear and disappear. Other than that, by featuring a video across all your YouTube videos, you're also keeping your audience tuned in to your channel for a longer period of time. Tuned-in audiences often translate into engagement, which then increases the likelihood of top-of-mind recall when they think of the category that your brand is in. For example, if you're a chocolate brand and you do a video animation about chocolate or something related, whenever your audience thinks of buying a bar of chocolate, there is a likely increased potential that they would pick your brand off the shelf. Of course, this is not the sole driving purchase decision of consumers, but it assists in increasing the potential of sales to happen. Featured videos is where YouTube will be taking note of how many likes, comments, or views your video is getting, and it will rank you accordingly in their search engine results. So this means that the featured content can be used to increase your search engine ranking for your entire channel. Now let me show you how to enable featured content in your YouTube channel. First, go to your YouTube account dashboard, click on the person icon on the top right corner, then click on the Creator Studio button. Second, on the left column, click on the Channel tab. From the drop-down menu, click on Featured Content. Then select Featured Content. A dialog box like this will appear. Select the content that you'd like to feature from the available options. Let me briefly explain more about the two available options you can select from. Most Recent Upload is where you choose to automatically feature the most recently uploaded video in your channel. This means that YouTube will automatically feature the video that is most recently uploaded in your channel in the featured video slot. On the other hand, specific videos or playlists are where you can select any video or playlist you want to feature from your channel, or you can enter other people's YouTube video or playlist URL. So let's just say you choose to feature a video or playlist. You have to select an existing video from your channel that you want to feature. Then click on the Save button on the bottom right. You will then be looking at this customization of your selected featured content. There are three things you would need to customize. First is display time. You can choose and specify when exactly you want the featured content to appear within the current video time frame. As for optimized timing, if you decide to tick this box, YouTube will try to choose the best time to show your promotion based on past viewer behavior in each video. And custom message is where you can insert a message and it will appear alongside the featured content. When you're done customizing, simply click on the Update button and you're done. Best idea is to utilize the customization options to promote and drive your marketing campaign. For example, you could use custom messages to put a link to your online store or a website and have visitors go through the sales funnel, or even put in marketing messages that promote 50% off a certain item. The possibilities are honestly nearly endless if you're being creative about it. Bear in mind that the content that you've selected will display consistently across devices in the bottom left corner and appear in What to Watch Next for subscribed viewers. It will also include a label with the video or playlist information that appears when you hover over the icon. We've reached the end of this module. Head on to the next one to learn more about YouTube for your business. Hello, welcome back to the YouTube for Your Business channel course. In this module, you'll learn how to use YouTube Live to convert your potential prospects into real clients. Before we start, let's take a look at a breakdown of what you'll be learning. In this video module, I'll explain what is YouTube Live and how it can help your business. I'll also be guiding you step by step on how to use YouTube Live, as well as giving you some result-promising strategies on maximizing your YouTube Live experience. So, what is YouTube Live? Before YouTube introduced this new function to its users, every video you watch on YouTube, up until now, was pre-recorded and then only uploaded onto the site. Then YouTube came up with this new function called YouTube Live, which conveniently allows people to start streaming videos in real time, then recording them for playback later. YouTube has tested this function in the past with events like a U2 concert, a Barack Obama speech, and the Indian Cricket League. There has since that time proven to be a huge demand for it. This creates massive opportunities for businesses to adopt this live video streaming function into their video marketing. How will YouTube Live help your business? The most distinctive and immediate effects from using YouTube Live for your business is gaining engagement and awareness, as well as establishing credibility and offering a sense of exclusivity to your audience. Use YouTube Live to increase the sense of engagement with your audience and raise your business branding awareness. Here are two effective contents that you can use for your YouTube Live session. The first is sharing live events with your audience. This kind of live video can make them feel more connected to your company or industry. The key here is not just showing the event, but also letting your audience be a part of it. The feeling of involvement will create a connection between your business and your audience. For example, you can cover events like the release or announcement of news and new products. Secondly, you can also do short live interviews with employees or clients to increase engagement with your audience. These interviews not only show the human side of your company, but also offer personal ideas and opinions. As YouTube Live has the function of allowing your audience to participate in a live chat box, your audience can be interactive with you and also other viewers at the same time, thus creating a connection that opens up to opinions, feedback, and also new ideas. This is a great way to boost engagement and also raise brand awareness. You can also use YouTube Live to create credibility and exclusivity. With live streaming video, you can show your audience what it takes to go from concept to product completion. It's common that consumers don't see behind the scenes on how your products or services are created. So this is a great way to give your audience a glimpse of what's involved in building your product and brand. Then, in order to offer a sense of exclusivity to your audience, you can live stream behind the scenes. Anything that's typically off limits or provides a different point of view will be something fresh and something they've never before experienced. This will intrigue your audience's interest, and they'll tune into your brand. An example is live streaming your company events behind the scenes. Now, I'll be showing you how to use YouTube Live step by step. To broadcast live videos on YouTube, you must first find your YouTube Live dashboard. When you sign into your YouTube account, click on the profile icon at the top right and click on the Creator Studio button. Next, click on Live Streaming on the left sidebar menu. Then click on the Get Started button. If it's your first time, you'll have to be prompted to perform an account verification process. This is where you'll associate a phone number with your channel and get a link to share when you start live streaming to your audience. After you enter your phone number, agree to the terms and conditions of using YouTube Live. Your channel will then be enabled to the functions of YouTube Live. So upon enabling YouTube Live for your channel, prior to starting your first YouTube Live streaming, let me go through the YouTube Live dashboard so you are familiarized with the functions of each tab. I'll briefly explain these three essential parts of your YouTube Live dashboard. Number 1, the information box. Number 2, the setup encoding software. And number 3, the live chat function. So the first one, your information box. The information box is where you customize the details about your YouTube live streaming. It's similar to the information you usually provide whenever you upload a video to YouTube. Under the first tab, Basic Info, you will start filling out your live stream's title, description, time to schedule the live stream, category, and privacy options. Then click on the second tab, Stream Options, to enable the following stream settings. And if you want to monetize your live event, you can click on the Monetization tab to do so. Moving on to the second one, Setup for Encoding Software. You will need to use specific software to broadcast YouTube Live from your desktop. YouTube recommends several different software options, including open broadcast software, free open source software for Mac and Windows users. Find the information found in the encoder setup box to connect Open Broadcaster software to YouTube Live. Copy and paste this exact information into your Open Broadcaster software settings as well to connect. And the last part, the third one, your live chat. This is where people can directly engage and get in contact with you while you're streaming live. You have the option whether you would like to enable live chat or not, as well as automatically blocking spam messages to avoid the chat box from clogging up with unnecessary spamming. So, when you've customized the above essential setups and you're ready to start your first YouTube live stream, simply start streaming from your software and you're good to go. Before we wrap up this video module, here are some strategies that I'd highly recommend you use during your YouTube live streams. Pre-announce is where you announce beforehand when and what you'll be doing in your live stream. This strategy is best used for sales campaigns, as it will build up hype and eagerness from your audience to participate to get their hands on limited sales offers. It will keep them tuned into your updates and live streams. Ideal time refers to when is the best time or hour to do it. This strategy highly depends on your targeted audience demographic. For example, results have shown that most posting on social media sites tends to perform best at around 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. However, you should do your research on your targeted audience and find out the best suited and ideal time to your live stream in order to gain maximum audience participation. Content is what you would say in the live stream. Exciting and interesting contents will attract your audience to tune in. You can refer to our third video module in this series to find out about what kind of content will make a viral video, in which case, this will make your live stream more engaging and attractive. Let me just give you an idea here. An Ask Me Anything session seems to be a very hot topic for live streams nowadays, due to the audience's curiosity over a business or for those who have specific inquiries. And lastly, reminder refers to a posting or a shout out you can do to your subscribers to inform them that the live video can be rewatched on your channel. This will ensure those who have missed certain parts of your live stream, or those who have missed the whole live stream entirely, can refer back to the original video through your channel. This can also encourage your subscribers to view your other videos in the channel as well. So we've come to the end of this module. Check out the last module to see how we wrap up. I'll see you in the next one. YouTube ads for high conversions. Before we start, let's take a look at the breakdown of what you will be learning. In this video module, I'll explain what is YouTube ads, how it increases conversions, and I'll teach you how to use it step by step. So what is YouTube ads? YouTube is a social media platform that has become highly effective revenue for reaching massive audiences through online advertising. How so? It has over 1 billion users, and people are watching 50% more video on the platform year over year. For online marketers and business owners, this is a huge opportunity to get in front of a large audience, a targeted audience, and expand the business branding to convert sales. YouTube ads allow you to run paid ads on someone else's videos, as well as getting paid to let others run their ads on your videos. So how does it increase conversions? YouTube ads can be used to increase your brand and product visibility, and this in turn translates into potential sales and revenue. Let's say that there's a highly anticipated video or a viral video that people are bound to watch, and because you are running paid ads, your advert appears before the video, and viewers who choose to watch it get to know more about your product, brand, or offering. And interested consumers will then click to know more and purchase your product or service. YouTube ads enables two choices: to run your ads on others' videos or to let others run their ads on your videos. By running your ads on others' videos, you'll be gaining brand and product visibility, as your ads will reach a larger bunch of audience and increase awareness towards your business. On the other hand, letting others run their ads on your videos allows you to generate revenue as you're getting paid for the view count. The more audience that watches your videos, the more they get exposed to ads, and thus the more you'll get paid because your video has helped generate brand awareness for others. Both ways work to increase your conversion rates, as monetization with YouTube ads generally involves maximum audience engagement. By increasing your brand awareness and reaching out to large targeted audiences, you're boosting your percentage of conversions as well. Before we move on to learn how to use YouTube ads, let's take a look at the types of ads available for your preference or selection that best suit your business. There are two types of ads on YouTube: the display ads and the video ads. Display ads on YouTube allow you to place your ads in videos where they'll appear alongside related YouTube videos or as pop-ups within YouTube videos. Below are the types of display ads that YouTube offers. Standard banner ad is similar to Google display ads, where it's available as a standard banner or rich media ad. Use bright and colorful images to grab your audience's attention and interest. In-video overlay ads are ads that appear as pop-ups with existing contextually targeted videos that are targeted by selected queries. URL inserted to the context can be clicked on and users will be directed to destinations outside of YouTube. As for video ads on YouTube, here are the types of ads offered. In-stream video ads are ads that pop out when you're watching your YouTube videos. In-slate video ads are ads that play before your video starts. In-search video ads are ads that appear above or to the right of regular YouTube search results. In-display video ads are ads that appear alongside other YouTube videos. Now let me guide you through the steps to create an ad that will be shown on other users' content. Go to YouTube's advertising pages and click Get Started. Now you're ready to launch your campaign. The first step is to select which video you want to promote. Just find the video that you want to advertise, then copy and paste the video URL in this box. After you've selected your video, there will be a preview like this so you can see how it will appear to other people who are watching it on YouTube after browsing the internet or finding it via YouTube search. Next, you need to enter the information for your text ad. Ad text includes the headline and 2 lines of description of how you would like to tell people what your ad is about. The ad text and descriptions are extremely important when you want to grab a customer's attention. Be short and straight to the point. You'd want to key in punchlines that will increase engagement or click-through rates. Then choose a thumbnail you'd like to display to your audience. Then specify where you want to send your traffic when users click on the video or ad. You can decide if you want users who click on your ad to be sent to your YouTube channel or to your website. Next, you need to decide how much to spend and set your budget. You can opt for a daily budget and set a specific amount. Then choose a maximum click per view so you're not spending more, including more per view, than you want to. Next, you can choose a target audience if you want your ad to be displayed to specific targeted audiences. As you can see, the targeting criteria includes age, gender, web activity, and user interests. As you create your YouTube ad, you can find a small tab on the right side of your page. This is where you can see approximately how many video views that the budget you set will bring to you. And finally, now sign into your Google account and enter your billing information to pay for the ads. Then review your ads and submit them for approval. And you're done. You've now created your own YouTube ads. This is the end of the YouTube for Business course. I wish you all the best in bringing your business to a higher level with YouTube.